Welcome to the C&SI Monitoring Academy, and thank you for watching this video. My name is Mark Leftwich and I'm the Level 2 Support Team Lead. After watching this video, you will know how to extract the TEMS database schema, how to format that output, and how to read the content so you can create your own SQL select statements. I hope you find this useful. Please click the thumbs up if you do. The first step is to navigate to your CMS directory. So I'm using a Windows box here, so it'll be C, IBM ITM by default. If your Candle home is different, obviously go there. Next, you're looking for the CMS directory. In this directory, there is a file called kmsiobj.dat. That is the one that we're going to need to copy. Click once on the file, right-click copy. We don't want to use the live copy that the TEMS is currently accessing. You can shut that window, paste that wherever you want, a working directory. I'll just put mine on the desktop for now for ease. You're going to have to open this file in some form of spreadsheet editor. On this machine I happen to have Excel, so I'll use that. It will work in any spreadsheet editor. All you simply need to do is get the file and drag it in or open it within the tool itself. Once you can see the data in the spreadsheet, you'll notice that everything is actually in one column. It's not very easy to read and very hard to decipher which are the tables and which are the columns. So I could give you a quick tip on how to break this down, and you can quickly and easily see how to mash this up. First thing to do is highlight column A by clicking on the header. Then you need to go to Data, Text to Columns, and you'll get a little dialog box that pops up. You want to make sure that fixed width has got the radius checked, and then click Next. The next screen will show that it actually breaks down the data by spaces, so we can see quickly and easily how the data is going to be laid out in the preview window. Keep that as default and then click Finish. Then if you go back, you see your data has now been separated into individual columns. If I drag these out slightly and make it a little bit easier to see. Column B that I've highlighted there, that is the table name in each of the tables in the TEMS. Column C represents the columns within that table. So here you can see we've got the TSIT STC table. This has got autonomized, delta stamp, local timestamp node, origin node, all for that same table. So you can see very quickly they are the columns that represent that table. If you want to be 100% sure, you can always sort the columns in name order A to Z on table name. That way it will help you get everything in order. Just to give you some background information, column A, the 04 SRV is just a prefix to the TEMS tables. You may see that in some SQL if you found some on the internet, or maybe support have given you some. You don't need that to create your SQL. B is obviously the table name, C is the columns within that table, and D, you can totally ignore the extra characters used from this file. So if you're going to build your own SQL, you can take your table name, the column names for that table, and drop them straight into an SQL file, maybe for Spuffy or KDSTS&S, or maybe you've looked at one of my previous videos and you're going to do this through the TEMS interface. Either way, you can get data back from the TEMS very quickly. It really is as simple as that to find the TEMS database schema for ITM. Just some words of warning, obviously if you're going to do this, try everything on a sandbox environment before production. Running SQL against the TEMS will obviously add load. The TEMS does thousands of these a day depending on how busy your environment is, but if you test things out, you're going to make sure you're not going to do anything adverse to your production environments. If you'd like some examples of already created SQL and what sort of information you can pull back, do make sure you check out some of my Nuggets of Knowledge series on the Developer Works site, and also other posts from the Monitoring Academy.